Hi, it's Alicia, and today I'm talking you through how to create a butterfly necklace. This is a quick and easy project suitable for beginners. All you need to be able to do is to be able to fussy cut and to place these butterflies on with a hot glue gun. It's simple, it's fun, it would make a great Christmas gift, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this from start to finish. So let's get started. I just wanted to talk you through the things that you are going to need in order to make this necklace. First of all, you're going to need a piece of felt. This is an A4 sized piece of felt. You can get these in a variety of colors. I went with a white background for my necklace, but you could choose the background that you wanted. You're going to need some ribbon. For my necklace, I used white ribbon to match the white felt, but you could use any ribbon that you wanted to use, any color or anything that you have in your stash at home. You will also need a hot glue gun. In order to adhere the butterflies to the felt, you really need the hot glue. Tape will not work. You are going to need, most importantly, this page of butterflies from the Bloomville collection by Mintay. This paper is number 5 in the collection. The other thing that you're going to need is some fussy cutting scissors so that you can cut all of these out comfortably while you're watching TV or watching YouTube. This is the longest part of the project, doing the fussy cutting. Once you've got your butterflies cut, the project doesn't take very long at all. It's not a big project. You can easily make this, I would say, in about half an hour, not including the fussy cutting. It's not a huge project at all. I also use some kindy glitz to add sparkle to my butterflies, and I also use some bling. Now, the first step to creating your butterfly necklace is drawing the design on the felt. You can do this 2 ways. You can print off the template from my blog at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au, and you can pin that onto the felt and cut around the template. That's one option. The other option is that you just use a pencil and draw the design yourself and cut it out that way. When I made my necklace, I just drew the design myself because I was just experimenting and I really did not know how to design the shape of the felt. But then I asked my husband to do this up on the iPad Pro just so that if people wanted to, they could use that as a template and create their necklace from that. So it's totally up to you as to how you want to do it. But all you have to do is just simply cut out the template your felt with some sewing pins. And then you just need to cut that out with your scissors. Remove the pins, and you have your template ready to go. The alternate way of doing it is to draw your design, cut it out. Actually, what I like to do with this is actually fold it in half, because it's very hard to draw a symmetrical design. And if you fold it in half and cut it together, you will then make sure that it is symmetrical on both sides. Okay, and then you can open that out and you've got your template. So there's two ways of doing it. You can print the template off my blog at papercraftsecrets.com, or you can draw your own design on your felt and fold it in half and then cut it out. Once you've done that, it's time to get your hot glue gun warmed up and ready to go, and start to glue on your butterflies and glue on your ribbon, glue on your pearls, decorate with kindy glitz, and you're done. Enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different to a scrapbook layout or a card, but it is still paper craft, and sometimes it's nice to try something different. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and I would love to see your take on this project. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely crafty day.